Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Nana Woka. Chama General MPP for so. A corruption there, and no man penny never saw. A state institutions. No man penny, only to me, saw Chiobi, the second night, John Mahamadi. Not on one handcuff, in the back pocket, then the front pocket. And now John Mahamad Branson and yes, you're corrupt, the next state institution. The MPP should tell Ghanaians, and I am challenging Minya Penny John Bodu. Our this has a new one state institution. On my penny go for better now, sweet. That state institution, no, I am more about corruption. And you are more report about now on my penny, Juma, to one more, just one.
Now, reports about then I'm when
you no report. This government is rather fighting state institutions.
How do you know so there's no report?
Look, Shraj, Chama General, Shraj investigation about Kenuforiata in the Cambon matter. Bosia Okoji 2.25 billion. Almost a conflict of interest, you are clear, Papa, and 1 year on India. We accept it. But on page 138 and page 139 of the report, almost a Papa no etiet Yagana Mraso, Article 181 clause 5 of the 1992 Constitution and Section 56 of the Public Financial Management Act. Because Bosiano Koje, you know, you be a kukum, etiet Bank of Ghana, and she says, one fan come, she be doing it. Shraj, my young who said, Sir, opinion impono, Najapa Diampono, dia Hinta Ghana. For Etia Ghana Mra, on declare access. As I'm never, you know, what did the president do? Will be also believable in institutions. You have the power to issue a white paper. Some emperors won't issue white paper. No. Kenuforiata has the right to go to court to challenge. Nobody will take that away from him. But
has he gone to court?
But how can you use?
I'm asking you. Has he gone?
Challenging the aspect which has to do with asset declaration.
And a court sitting.
The asset declaration aspect.
What did the court say?
This is my key point.
Mpacho, you are a lawyer. I'm asking you. Hold on. What did the court say?
Chairman, I'm making my point to you. If you can allow me to make the point.
Oh, Mpacho, you are making your point, but let's moderate.
No, I will answer the question.
Me too.
The point here, they say, it is wrong for any government or president to allow Attorney General and Minister of Justice Agana Fonde Tuaneka to go and defend any individual against a state institution. Yet again, Hatama Shraj and indicted Richard Anane. President Kofo, while Madame Attorney General and they could defend Richard Anane against Shraj when he was indicted for abuse of office. Maybe what being country. President Kofo only me party, but what I could do, the way in America, he didn't do that. It's a no man Penya Kufuado there. Who state institution Shraj Aqua investigation who issue white paper and reject it. But you use the Attorney General Agana Fonde Tuaneka to be private lawyers for Kenuforiata as a monk na money charge for Nkoko na monto on report na ntontre. Now we are the country you are supporting state institutions. Special prosecutor Martin Amidu. Nancy wan check about how officials of President Akufo-Addo are sabotaging his mandate. Sabotaging his mandate. Oyen Jujemu about Galamsey fraud in connection with Charles Bisi. Pa Omanpenny akodai woni na ye adwuma woni na akofani free Western region as regional secretary waba documentary about what down for announce aka so be use the principle to fight corruption e dey aba ye hu no bibi wom yen ka say eno ye conclusive but at least manenko tranche because it borders on his integrity still Omanpenny anyesa and I binuma be nsembinti no my emergency Australia visa for ben come once until my brother speaks ni nyina Omanpenny want to one more Matinami do ye nhwehwemu because announce a petition na ye Rambusderi ene Mamiti Wanom Professor Frimpong Boateng also na touchline your mo there to counter and Matinami do complain. So that argument that state institutions no comment is neither here nor there. Not even one single state institution. And why ye DB and another the year Juma. Auditor General report on NHIA 23 million afan pay funds say Ghana Export Promotion Authority. Yeah, my man, gift declare up, na be the chair Chuma, and I asked for an appointment, be as government spokesperson. Sika after months, I say, Kroll Associates, 55 billion after months, I say, in Auditor General, the president has not acted. And just 30 seconds. And why, as agree, Sika 45 billion, yeah, after and Sase, in Sessanki, they be created a Jumama, Memoine, Maba, when you be a Nina, no, he has not acted. So, finally, the American said, yes, the president doesn't have the power to convict. Only the courts have that power. But he has the power to direct the arrest and the prosecution of people who engage in corruption. He appoints the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, and only he has the power to direct that Attorney General as to what to do. And he has the power to even fire the Attorney General at will without giving reasons. If you are failing, you will be called a clearing agent, not because we hate you, but because that is what you are exhibiting in office. And I pious, think Australia, because let's focus on other areas. And I think that at the appropriate time we can talk about that. Chairman, that's it.
Sorry?
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.